Hey Tao, I want to give you a little bit more help with these concepts, osmosis and diffusion. So we can remember with osmosis and diffusion, we have higher concentrations moving to lower concentrations. And what we can see in the middle here with the semi-permeable membrane is that we have a higher concentration of sugar molecules on this side and a lower concentration over here. And when it comes to the water, we have a higher concentration on the left side and a lower concentration on the right. So when we allow the molecules through the semipermeable membrane, we will have the water going from high to low this way and the sugar coming from high to low that way. So this can better help us understand this diagram here. This is an animal cell, and we have the cytoplasm inside at a higher concentration than we have the pure water on the outside. So when we put the cell into the water, we're going to have the cytoplasm going out and the water coming in, causing the cell to burst. The opposite of that is over here. And before we get into that, let's talk about turgidity and flaccid. You asked. So flaccid means something that is not strong or stiff. Like this cell does not have a cell wall, so it is flaccid. But the cell wall in the plant here is strong and it makes it turgid. And turgid is strong and stiff and flaccid is not. Now, you were asking about plasmolysis. So we have this cell wall, which is turgid, it is strong, and because of osmosis, when we have the water and cytoplasm switching, it actually causes the cell membrane to rip away from the cell wall. So you can see here the concentration of the solution outside the cell and less concentration in. So they're going to try and swap, which is going to cause plasmolysis and will eventually cause the cell to collapse. I hope this helps. If there's anything else you need, let me know and I can hopefully make you another video.